Welcome to our intro video on Shogun Japan. During the medieval period, civil war and violence became widespread in Japan. This made for a rising warrior class known as the samurai. This period is often referred to as feudal Japan because the system parallels with what was happening in Europe at the time. Japan has had an emperor since 660 BCE. The emperor is believed to have descended directly from the sun goddess Amaterasu. Japan is the only country in world politics that still has an emperor today. Although the emperor did not really hold any political power, only symbolic and spiritual power, it was actually the ruling shogun military leader who held power. The shogun controlled the daimyo, who were lords, who held large areas of land. The daimyo employed samurai to protect their land, similar to knights in medieval Europe. And then peasants, artisans, and merchants were at the bottom of the social hierarchy. One of the most significant periods of the shogun was during Tokugawa Ieyasu's rule. His empire would last over 250 years. He granted land to those who were loyal. The daimyo lords were required to alternate between living in the capital Edo, current-day Tokyo, and in their own regions. And most significantly, the Tokugawa shogunate closed the doors to Japan. Christianity was banned, foreigners were expelled from the country, and Japanese people were forbidden from leaving. All contact and trade with the Europeans was restricted. This led to a rise in the distinctive Japanese culture that still exists today. Japan opened its doors in 1868, nearly 220 years after they closed.